Welcome to 634 Midgrove in Zeeland. We are here in the desirable Settlers Grove neighborhood where homes don't come up often. This home has been meticulously maintained. It is absolutely gorgeous. So take a look and let me know what you think. Well, we saved the best for last today. Here we are in the kitchen. This beautiful room is open to your dining and your living space. It has a beautiful farm sink, lots of cabinetry, a gas stove, stainless steel appliances. The amenities are endless here. So if you want to check out this home to see if it's the right fit for you, give me, Heather Klumpmaker, a call and we will get you through anytime.